Welcome to ELCA Laboratories. Today, we are showcasing polymer identification using Fourier Transform Infrared Spectroscopy, FTIR. Our sample is a plastic piece, though FTIR works just as effectively on rubber materials. FTIR analyzes its molecular structure. Light shines through, different molecules absorb specific frequencies. This absorption pattern creates a unique fingerprint of the polymer. The fingerprint is compared to a vast library, identifying the exact plastic type. At ELCA Laboratories, we test all types of plastics and rubber materials to meet the highest standards. Industries like packaging, automotive, pharmaceuticals, and polymer manufacturing rely on FTIR testing for quality assurance. Thank you for watching.